In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate video uploads to YouTube using Zapier. This process will save you time and effort, streamlining your workflow so you can focus more on creating great content. Let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to the Zapier website. Once you are there, you'll notice a login option located at the top right corner. Click on Login and sign in using your Google account credentials. It's important to have an active Google account since we'll be connecting this with other services later on. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Zapier home. From the homepage, look for the Create button and give it a click. This is where you begin creating your Zap, which is essentially an automated workflow between apps. After that, proceed to click on Zaps to start setting up the specifics of your automation. The first part of our Zap setup involves setting a trigger. Click on Trigger to identify an event that will kickstart the automation. For this task, we'll be using Google Drive as our trigger application. Click on Google Drive in the list of options. This step is crucial as it dictates the starting point of our automation workflow. Once you've selected Google Drive, the next decision is choosing the trigger event. For our purpose, select New File in Folder. This means anytime a new file is uploaded to a particular folder in your Google Drive, it will trigger the Zap. Click on Sign in on account to connect your Google Drive account to Zapier and click Test to ensure everything is set up correctly. With the trigger activated, it's time to set up the action. Head back to the main interface and click on Action. Here you'll type YouTube into the search bar and select it from the list. YouTube will be the application where the resulting action of our automation will take place. In this step, choose the action event Upload Video. This selection ensures that each time our trigger condition is met, namely a new video in our Google Drive folder, it automatically triggers an upload to YouTube. Again, you'll need to sign in to link your YouTube account to Zapier and click Test to confirm a steady connection. Finally, you'll want to hit Publish to activate your Zap. By following these guided steps, your automation will be in place. Each time you upload a video to your specified Google Drive folder, it will be published to YouTube without any additional manual effort on your part. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to automate your video uploads using Zapier. This system not only increases productivity, but also allows you to stay creative, focusing on content production rather than administrative tasks. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.